Matter is everywhere. Everything in this universe is made of matter. But, as for everyone, there is a minus one. Did you ever wonder about the existence of an antimatter?
Hi everyone, this is Hiba. An atomic bomb, for all its awesome power, is only about 1% efficient. Only a tiny fraction of the uranium is turned into energy. But if an antimatter bomb could be constructed, it would convert 100% of its mass into energy, making it far more efficient than a nuclear bomb. At the beginning of the 20th century, physicists realized that the atom consisted of charged subatomic particles with electrons with a negative charge, circulating around a tiny nucleus with a positive charge. The nucleus, in turn, consisted of protons, which carried the positive charge, and neutrons, which were electrically neutral. In 1950, it came as quite a shock when physicists realized that for every particle there's a twin, an antiparticle, with an opposite charge. The first antiparticle to be discovered was the anti-electron, called the positron. The positron is identical to the electron in every way, except that it carries an opposite charge. In 1955, the particle accelerator in the University of California at Berkeley produced the first antiproton. As expected, it is identical to the proton except that it carries a negative charge. This means, in principle, that one can create anti-atoms. In fact, anti-elements, anti-chemistry, anti-people, anti-earths, and even anti-universes are theoretically possible. Now, we made the antimatter, but handling it exposes extraordinary problems since any contact between matter and antimatter is explosive. Putting antimatter in an ordinary container would be suicide. When the antimatter touched the walls, it would explode. So how can we do it? One way would be first to ionize the antimatter into a gas of ions, and then to confine it safely in a magnetic bottle. The magnetic field will prevent the antimatter from touching the walls. These things about antimatter, how to produce it, how to handle it, makes us wonder if our anti-universe already exists.